Alright guys, I got lots of parts to go on the Kawasaki and also the FJ. However, I'm still trying to recover. I gotta learn to use my arms all over again since I had the 2 neck surgeries along with spinal cord surgery and my arms don't work. So if this video doesn't come out right, that's why. So it should take quite a few weeks to heal up. Like I said, I gotta learn to reuse my arms again. So anyway, what we're gonna get at is we are gonna talk about these little guys right here. Ordered these from Amazon, of course. In the description of the video, I'll put the part numbers and all that, or even the links to where you can buy these. But basically, what I cannot stand are these giant freaking holes that are down here. Got one on this side, which is actually smaller, and of course we know it's for the axle, so it's to be expected. I just wish Kawasaki would have put like a plug or something like that in. This one here is really an eyesore, and these are basically dirt, mud, debris catchers and all that stuff. So anyway, I just want to get those covered up. It's kind of like what I did over here. Okay, instead of leaving the hole, I have little inserts and stuff that I buy and keep around to dress things up. So I couldn't come up with chrome for that size, but I did find ones that were nickel plated, which is really nice. Alright, so the largest of the bunch is just a hair too big. This one here is just a hair too small, and of course the real small ones, they just slip right inside the hole. So what I'm going to do is what I've done before is take the little prongs that you can see right there and kind of bend those out a little bit, and let's see if that works. Okay, so this side here came out. Again, because of the way this is designed, there's nothing I could put here. And I had to take the prongs again and bend them out to get them to fit inside here. But at least that's going to keep out the dirt, grime, and all the rest of it. And then whenever I take it off, that just pops right out. This one here was bent out a little bit more for that. But basically, that's what we have now. Instead of those big, ugly holes that can catch dirt and grime. Sorry guys, my hands, even with the stabilizer, my hands aren't working that well. So here we have it. That side there, coming around over to this side here. Again, a different type of hole, but at least they're filled up. So I'll put a link in. These things are fairly inexpensive. I think it was about $10 for, oh, what are we looking at? 4 or 6 of these, nickel plated. And again, at least that's going to go ahead and dress up the front a bit. No more ugly holes to catch all that stuff. So again, it'll be in the description as far as the Amazon link. So you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. I'll try to get this on YouTube just as quickly as I can. Sorry about the shakiness. This is probably going to be the worst video I've ever done. But that's it. And thanks for watching.